Well, welcome Northeast Missouri Angler, and it's about, I don't know, 600 degrees out here today. Worked earlier, but got a wild heron decided to come out. I haven't posted a video in a while. Crappie fishing's been tough, but I found some. I fished a Thursday nighter bass thing that Jason Kaiser puts on, and when I was bass fishing, I noticed some fish, so I went out today to get some of them. I found some bigger ones all bunched up, and that's the first one right there. It's about 10-inch fish, so I'm gonna see what I can do with these things today. Here, maybe catch a few. There's quite a few down there, so stick around. There we go. There, I got him. Come up, hit it. Another eater. Monster's about 9.5 inches. Maybe. I don't know. Better look at it. Better measure him. He's in my hand. He looks a lot shorter than that now. Yeah. 8.5. Yep. Whew. There's a better one. I say better, it's terms relevant, but he's about 9 inches. I'm not gonna be picky. It's friggin' 1,000 degrees out here. Hey, there you go. That's a good one. Get him in the boat.
Whoa.
Show that one to the camera.
Jesus.
Show that one to the camera.
Okay. No hook very good, so I want to get a hold of his lip.
Yep. Mama got a good one. 11, 12 inches.
Yeah.
Oh, I got one just like I got his twin. Not quite.
No.
Not quite. Just a little smaller. I had you going though.
No, I can't see it.
Hey, it's a 10-incher. I don't care. 10, 10.5, something like that. Got this umbrella. That's all I can say. It's the best $150 I've spent in a while. Will you do me the honors? Thank you. Got it? Follow it down. I got one on mine. Here we go. Not quite big enough. A little small.
There's a whole slew of them down there.
Oh, there's a pile of them. Gotta be 100 of them. I got mine. I got mine. She missed her. She let it get off right at the boat. She goes, oh, I knew what happened. Got my 10-incher. She put my fish in the cooler, so, and put markers on them, so I can't complain.
Right.
Tell you, if you knew how many come up and look at it and then went and would go away before the one takes it in a group of fish, it's amazing. And I'm telling you right now, for every one that we're catching, there's probably 5 or 6 that just, oh, I don't think this is a crappie. Channel cat. 5-pound channel cat.
I just wanted to make sure I was under him.
Channel cat rodeo on crappie bait. Hold a minute. Nice little channel cat though. Good eater. About 3 pound, 4 pound. He wanted that minnow.
Pretty nice.
That net is nice. I like that net. There it is right there. Good one. Oh, cooler. He gonna make a bunch of noise.
That's quick.
Shut it fast, she says. Small.
Uh-oh, somebody's on my...
You got a good one. That might not be a crappie. You got a hoss right here. You fighting him? Yep, catfish. Did you put the net? Okay, there's the net.
Right there.
Keep him out of the motor. Turn him back this way. Nice channel. Got it. Got him?
Yep.
It's that weak arm of mine.
Oh yeah.
Nice channel cat.
Look at all of that.
I got the channel cat. Just bring him here. I'll lift him out of there.
Okay.
Can't do the camera.
Right.
That's a good channel cat. Better get my hand around him. There you go. Trade me. Oh, we just pliers.
Right in front of you.
Hook about fell out. There he is. Mama's channel cat. About the same size one I caught. I'll lift the lid.
Yep.
There we go. Getting a cooler fish, by gosh. Well, that's gonna do it for us. Caught. We've been out here about 3 hours. We got 12 crappie, I think, and 2 real nice channel cats. So we got a couple meals worth. We got a meal of channel cat, a meal of crappie today. So it ain't bad for 3 hours, considering how tough it's been lately. Threw them in the cooler. Spin it around here, let you look. Some pretty good ones. Pretty good size. That's gonna do it for us. So until next time, thanks for watching.